In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on monday.com. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to streamline their billing process, learning to do this can save you time and make managing finances smoother. We're going to walk through this step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you need to create or open a board on monday.com. You can choose to start a new board by clicking on the plus add button and selecting new board. If you already have a board dedicated to finance, billing, or client projects, feel free to open it. You have the option to start from scratch or click on a pre-existing template by searching for terms like invoice or billing. Templates can be a great way to get a head start if you're new to this. Once your board is ready, it's time to set up the structure. You'll want to create columns that cover all essential invoice details. Important columns might include a text column for the client name and another for the invoice number, which needs to be a unique identifier like INV 2025-001. Add date columns to mark the invoice date and the due date for payments. Don't forget a numbers column for the total amount due and a status column to track whether an invoice is pending, paid, or overdue. You can also add a files column for uploading or linking the actual invoice as a PDF and a text column for any optional notes or terms you might need to mention. With your structure in place, you can begin inputting invoice data. For each invoice, add a new item or row and fill it with the relevant data. Be sure to include details like the client's name, the date issued, the amount due, and the current payment status. Next, you'll need to create the actual invoice document. You have two options here. If you're using Monday Docs, click on plus add, then new doc. Here, you can create a comprehensive invoice template that includes your logo, business details, and client information. Use item tokens, if available, to seamlessly integrate client details or amounts. Once your document is ready, export it as a PDF and upload it to the corresponding file column. Alternatively, if you prefer external tools such as Canva, Word, or Excel, you can create your invoice there. Once done, export and upload it as a PDF by dragging it into the file column. To get a big picture view of your invoices, create a dashboard. Go to Dashboards, then Create New Dashboard. Consider adding useful widgets like the Numbers widget for total revenue, a status chart to show paid versus pending invoices, and a table widget for upcoming due invoices. Finally, you can share or export your invoices. Use the Share View option to send them to clients or team members, or export your board to Excel or PDF for more formal record keeping or reporting. That's it. You now know how to efficiently create and manage invoices on monday.com.